P. Diddy, a name that's synonymous with success, innovation, and controversy. But today, we're diving into something very serious that has put his name at the center of a legal storm. P. Diddy, or Sean Combs, is facing accusations of sex trafficking and charges under the infamous RICO Act. But could he be innocent? And what exactly do these charges mean? Let's break it down. To understand the gravity of these accusations, we need to first take a look at what's actually being said about P. Diddy. In 2023, reports surfaced claiming that Diddy was involved in sex trafficking, an illegal activity where individuals are exploited for sex through coercion, force, or manipulation. On top of that, he's also been hit with charges related to the RICO Act. For those who don't know, RICO stands for Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, and it's usually used to take down criminal enterprises like gangs or organized crime syndicates. So, how do these two charges tie into one another? The RICO Act is a powerful tool for law enforcement, allowing prosecutors to target entire organizations, whether it's the mafia or street gangs. But here's the thing, RICO charges don't always have to involve a traditional crime family or mob. They can be applied to anyone who's allegedly orchestrating a series of criminal activities under one umbrella. And when you throw sex trafficking into the mix, you're looking at a very serious set of crimes that carry severe consequences. The accusations against Diddy suggest that he may have played a role in a network of exploitation. But are these allegations true? P. Diddy has strongly denied these allegations. In fact, his legal team has been quick to push back, calling the charges baseless and defamatory. Diddy himself has made statements saying that the accusations are part of a smear campaign against him, aimed at ruining his reputation and legacy. So, what's really going on behind the scenes here? Let's take a step back and consider P. Diddy's history. The man is a mogul. He's founded record labels like Bad Boy Records, launched clothing lines, and created an empire in the entertainment world. Over the years, he's worked with some of the biggest names in hip-hop and beyond, like the Notorious B.I.G., Mary J. Blige, and J.Lo. He's also known for his public persona as a philanthropist giving millions to various causes. So, could this career trajectory actually paint him as an unlikely target for such grave accusations? Now, let's get into the legal side of things. In cases like these, the burden of proof falls on the accusers. For P. Diddy to be convicted, prosecutors will need to present strong evidence connecting him to these alleged activities. And here's the kicker, RICO cases are notoriously difficult to win, mainly because they require proving that the accused was involved in a criminal enterprise. In Diddy's case, that would mean proving that he not only knew about the trafficking, but that he played an active role in organizing or profiting from it. This won't be easy. But what about the public? How has the media shaped the narrative surrounding these charges? When the story broke, it quickly made headlines across the world. Media outlets flooded social media with sensationalized stories, but at the same time, Diddy has maintained his innocence, and some fans and even celebrities have come to his defense. The question is, how much of what we're seeing is actually fact versus public opinion? In fact, some high-profile figures like his longtime collaborator, Mace, and others in the hip-hop community have publicly supported Diddy, saying they can't believe these accusations are true. There's even been a small but vocal number Free Diddy movement, suggesting that this could be a case of someone at the top being targeted by those looking to take him down. So, what are the possible scenarios here? Let's think about this. If the charges are true, P. Diddy could face a life in prison or he could be found innocent. I like the second option, but what are your thoughts? Leave them down below in the comment section and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Bye.